Welcome back to Car Updater. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of the 2025 Massey Ferguson tractor lineup. Massey Ferguson has long been a trusted name in agriculture, and their 2025 models continue this tradition with advanced features and robust performance. Leading the pack is the MF1M25, a 25-horsepower compact tractor designed for versatility and comfort. This model boasts an air-suspended seat and tilt steering, ensuring operator comfort during long hours in the field. Its robust frame and efficient design make it ideal for various tasks, from landscaping to property maintenance. For those seeking a bit more power, the MF2850E offers a 50-horsepower diesel engine paired with an 8x8 synchro shuttle transmission. This model is equipped with a Category I and 2 3-point hitch and selectable 4WD, providing the flexibility needed for diverse agricultural applications. The Bobcat-style quick-attach bucket further enhances its utility, making it a valuable asset for any farm. In the subcompact category, the GC1725M stands out with its 24.5-horsepower engine and hydrostatic transmission. Designed for tasks like mowing, loader work, and backhoe operations, this model offers a lift capacity of 870 pounds and weighs approximately 1,580 pounds. Its compact size doesn't compromise on performance, making it a favorite among small property owners. Massey Ferguson's 2025 lineup also includes the MF1E.25 hydrostatic compact tractor. Powered by a 1.49L Asiki 3-cylinder diesel engine, it delivers 24 horsepower and features a 3-range hydrostatic transmission. With a 4WD system and a 3-point lift capacity of 2,205 pounds, this tractor is built to handle demanding tasks with ease. For our audience in Pakistan, Malat Tractors Limited continues to offer locally assembled Massey Ferguson models. The MF242WD, a 50-horsepower tractor, is priced at Rs. 2,423,640. This model is well suited for various farming activities, providing reliability and efficiency. Stepping up in power, the MF262WD Turbo offers 60 horsepower and is available for Rs. 2,807,820. This turbocharged model ensures enhanced performance, making it ideal for more intensive agricultural tasks. For those requiring even more power, the MF385-2WD delivers 85 horsepower and is priced at Rs. 3,830,400. This model is designed for heavy-duty applications, ensuring that even the most demanding tasks are handled efficiently. It's important to note that these prices are subject to change and may vary based on additional features or regional factors. For the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, it's recommended to contact local dealers or visit official websites. Massey Ferguson's 2025 tractor lineup showcases a commitment to innovation, durability, and operator comfort. Whether you're managing a small property or a large agricultural operation, there's likely a model that fits your specific needs. Stay tuned to Car Updater for more insights into the latest in agricultural machinery and automotive advancements. For a visual overview of the new models, check out the following video.